Structure of antibody. Antibody are glycoproteins. It belongs to the class gamma globulin protein. So it is a glycoprotein and having high degree of specificity. It means the specific type of antibody works for specific type of antigen. It also called as immunoglobulins represented by Ig. See here, when antigen enters inside the body, living body, it provides antigenic stimulation to the B lymphocyte cells. Then such B lymphocyte cells divides and differentiates into plasma B cells, plasma cells, and then plasma cells produce the antibody very rapidly, 2000 per second rate. At the rate of 2000 per second, this plasma cells produces the antibody which kills to the antigen. Now see, the structure is the structure of antibody molecule. Here antibody molecule consists two light chains and two heavy chains. These are two light chains and these are two heavy chains. Two light chains and two heavy chains are there. Then each chain having two regions. Here this region is a variable region. This is a variable region of light chain. This is a variable region of heavy chain. Variable region of light chain, variable region of heavy chain. And this region is a constant region. This is a constant region. So this is a constant region of light chain. This is a constant region of heavy chain. Same here. Constant region of light chain, constant region of heavy chain. Okay. Then both here light chain and one heavy chain. This light chain, this heavy chain, they are binded with disulfide bond. Two sulfide bonds are present here, and here both the heavy chains also binded by disulfide bond. Two sulfide bonds, disulfide bond. Then here the variable region of both the sides. Variable regions that show the specific structure. This is called as an antigen binding site. This region binds to the antigen. This is the antigen binding site. This is also called as a paratope. The antigen binding site also called as a paratope. So this is a structure of antibody. The binding region is nothing but a hinge. Next one, formation of antigen-antibody complex. As we know, the antibodies are very specific. Serology is a branch of biology, branch of medical science which deals with the study of antigen-antibody interactions. Epitopes here, the specific part of variable region, this is the antigen binding site. It binds to the particular part of the antigen, and here this is called as a paratope. So the particular part of antigen to which antigen binding site binds, so that part of antigen we have to call as epitopes. Combining sites of antigen. The particular part of antigen which participate in the binding with the paratope, antigen binding site of antibody. So this is called the epitopes. Epitope react with paratope of antibody. Epitope of antigen react with the paratope of antibody and then form the antigen-antibody complex. So antigen-antibody binds in the lock and key manner, very specific in structure. So they binds like in lock and key manner and then forming the antigen-antibody complex. Antigen on blood cells. Here, known antigens present on the surface of RBC. Blood cell, they only RBC on the blood cell which have such antigens on their surfaces, and then they give rise different blood groups on the basis of the type of antigen present on the surface of RBC. There are different types of the blood groups. Blood group system, there are different types of blood group system. The most acceptable is the ABO type, RH, Duffy, Kidd, Lewis, P, MLS, Bombay blood group. Such these are different blood group systems. ABO blood groups. Here most acceptable blood group system is the ABO blood group system. So here A, B and O blood groups, these are discovered by Karl Landsteiner in 1900. Later on, there are two disciples, students, Dicastillions, they discovered AB blood group in 1902. This is the blood group, genetic constituent, genotype, the antigen present on the surface of RBC, the antibody present on the serum, and this particular blood group donated to which type of blood group and received from which type of blood group. So this is a chart show that when the blood group A having the genotype, two types of genotype, IAIA and IEIG. This is the homozygous condition, homogeneous condition, heterozygous condition, homozygous, heterozygous condition. Antigen A present, hence it is a blood group. Opposite antibody we have to observe in the serum. So here B antibody is present. A blood group can donate to the A and AB blood group while received from A blood group and O blood group. Same for the B, homozygous condition, heterozygous condition. Antigen is B, opposite antibody A found in the serum. It donates to the B and AB and receive from B and O. AB blood group, this is called the universal acceptor. AB is a universal recipient or universal acceptor. It receives the blood group from all blood groups. It receives blood from all blood groups. The genotype is the IAIB. Antigen, both antigens are present, A antigen as well as B antigens. In the serum of AB blood group, there is no any antibody. Antibody is nil. AB blood group donates to only AB blood group while received from all. Hence it is called as a universal recipient. O blood group, it is called as a universal donor having the genotype IAIA. Antigen is absent. Both the antibodies are present. A antibody and B antibodies are present in the serum. It donates to all the blood groups. O blood group can donate its blood to all blood groups A, B, AB and O, but received only from the O blood group. So this is the chart of blood group system.